The Faculty of Education began as an extramural center that was affiliated to Makerere University College back in 1953. This culminated in the center being made a faculty of the University of Nairobi in 1983. In line with the university's mandate on research and innovation, the faculty has made notable and significant strides in research that tackled some of society's most pressing issues.
The first one was produced by a visually impaired student, and this is a cash identifier, where somebody who is visually impaired is able to identify money without having to really have to touch.
One of the key indicators of a faculty's prowess and success is the alumni community. The Faculty of Education has alumni in key leadership positions spread out across the region.
The alumni, even of the faculty, are regional directors, and actually the list of them are at the level of principals of high schools, but we have quite a number of them managing education in this country.
As the world increasingly becomes competitive, the Faculty of Education has put in place measures and strategies to ensure that it produces the most holistic and well-rounded graduates.
We are moving away from that traditional kind of teaching where knowledge was resident in the tutor, and we are moving to a level where we are co-creators in knowledge, co-creators in learning, where we, instead of telling you this is the knowledge, we make you part of the process of creating the same knowledge. By doing that, what we do is that rather than teaching you planning in our classrooms, we take you to the Ministry of Education, to the planning section.
The quest to produce holistic graduates doesn't end at the teaching and learning models. The faculty has made key industry partnerships that ensure that students get hands-on experience and a feel of the industry through initiatives like the Student Exchange Program.
We have had exchange programs which students normally benefit from the studies that we are conducting. We have had a number of our students embedded in the process of research in terms of being part and parcel of the studies.
The faculty has continuously achieved amazing feats in the past and present, and as we gear towards the future, it looks brighter and more promising.
The future is for sure bright, given that we have actually moved from that traditional kind of a learner who was to be space confined. We are able to relate, or rather to interact with our learners regardless of their physical space.